Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to view or delete form submission in Wix dashboard. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix dashboard. On left side you see multiple option and then you see customer and leads and then you see form and submission. So click on it. So we are in form and submission section and then you see form name. So this is our form and then you see submission 1 and then you see edit. Also click on it. You see view submission. So click on it. Then you see all submission detail, submission time, first name, last name, email, write a message. So this is view. If you want you can delete it. So click on it and then you see move to trash. So click on it and then you see no submission yet. Go to trash. Now you see, so click on it and then we are in trash section and then again you see, so click on it. Now you see restore. If you want you can restore submission. If you want you can delete. So click on it and then you see submission permanently delete. So if you want you can undo it. So it's up to you. So in this way you can view or delete submission in Wix dashboard. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.